Welcome to the city of Atlanta. Today we're going on a different type of adventure, a place we have never been. And we still have 3 hours and 5 minutes until we get there. Join us on our wild adventure. Hey adventurers, welcome to Wild Adventure. We're here today to check out the rides, the animals, and all the fun. We're in Valdosta, Georgia, where it's projected to be a cool 95 degrees. Oh my goodness, it's going to be a hot one today.
Oh yes, warming up already.
So join us on our adventure as we take you to Wild Adventures.
I wonder which way we should go. Going bananas, Chris, as featured in Zombieland, the first one.
Which one is?
That one, go bananas.
Oh, the big one up there?
Yeah.
Oh. I know the drop tower was in Zombieland. I think we should mention Zombieland was filmed here, the amusement park scene, the last, what, 20 minutes of the movie?
The first one, yeah.
Yeah.
Not double tap, single tap.
Yes. See, we got some soda, although our ticket comes with soda for the day. But if you were coming often, like we get these cups at Six Flags. It is going bananas. So this is one of those wild mouse ones?
Yeah.
Okay, we just got off of this.
Go bananas. I know it was certainly bananas. It's like a primeval world, and it's very painful and jagged.
But it's very fun.
It's very fun. Don't go on if you have bone problems.
So here we are, Discovery Outpost. Look at those little alligators spinning around. They're stinking cute. Oh my god. 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 Oh god.
I think it's worse than those like gator things, the dragon gators.
Oh my god. 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 Oh. Check this out. I think we're about to feed the alligators. Family feeding. A giraffe, gators, and birds. I bet we're gonna do that today. Here we go. We're getting ready to feed the alligators. So how much did you pay for the food for the alligators?
$5.
How much?
$5.
$5?
We need to go on the Gator Bridge in a second.
Oh, yes.
Let's see how
Should
far.
we cross the Gator Bridge? Do we dare?
Uh-oh. Oh, they're coming. Here they come. Look at it. Okay, here's a threefer. Get him. Oh, they're letting them know who's boss. Oops, that one slipped.
All right, wish me luck. We're about to cross Gator Bridge. Here we go. See it? Look at him down there. Can you see him? Don't eat me, boys and girls. Check it out. Trying it. I'm crossing. There they are. They're down there. There's a whole bunch. Look at them. See if I can get. Can you see them all? Whoa. There we go. That was fun. And for WildAdventures, they have lots of rides for the little ones. Look at this. Crunch's Caboose. Super cute. Look at this train. Oh my gosh. The kids would have loved this when they were little. Look at that. And then there's this little spinning alligator, kind of like a tilt-a-whirl, because you're spinning it in there, but it's alligators. We're definitely in the bayou. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, and here goes the little train. It's going around with one person in it. Now that's quite a ride. And off to the left here, because we came in and we went to the left around the Gators. And here's your first set of lockers. And there's restrooms too. So that's pretty awesome. This is called Turtle Twist. It's kind of like a little Himalaya that you ride at the fair. And also for the kids, they have a little roller coaster. Look at this snake. This coral snake hanging out here. Ooh, there's tortoise back here. There's a little drop tower too. So there's a whole kids land when you come into the left. Oh, I love this. This is that rubber floor made from like recycled tires. Love these. They're in their hut. Two of them are right there. And one of them is right there, hanging out. What we have is, I bought the unlimited meal deal. Hold on a second. And I have, well, sorry, unlimited drink in one meal. So I got coupons that have one food coupon for each of us, and then we wear these bands and we can get drinks anywhere, they say. So we'll see.
Okay, good.
All right, so we got our first drink with a wristband, and
Yeah.
the only complaint is it comes in this glass, which is,
And full of ice, of course.
yeah, so. What do you think?
Fine. I feel a little chinced that we don't get like a normal cup, but I'm not surprised.
Just get a ton of these then.
Yeah.
So we've been here for like an hour, a little less, and I am already sweating a lot, so yeah, that's not good. How much have you sweated already?
Not a whole lot yet, at least. But I'm sure it'll come eventually.
I just must be sweating. Alright, well, we're probably gonna go do the trail now, which is fun.
Meet Twister, the granddaddy of the Gators. Monkeys and twisters and bears, oh my. Here we go. These are called fallow deer. We have a macaw here who is very quiet, not saying much. We've been standing here for a while, hasn't said a word. So far a deer and a macaw. What else is on this trail?
Hey.
It says it's a gray crowned crane. And where, oh, it's over there. Should I give up that much? Right there, walking. Red-tailed hawk. Down here. I tell you, this hawk probably has the best enclosure because it's shaded, man. Woo! It is hot. Look what I missed when looking for the crane who's walking by. Hello. There's some monkeys, some green monkeys. And they're actually sleeping on top of the fence. Right there. Hello there, Mr. Vulture. How are you doing? I'm going to guess, well, yeah, I was going to guess some type of tortoise. It says a leopard tortoise, and I think I actually found them way in the corner over there. Is, I think, where the tortoise is. Check it out. Check out the food options here.
Is that lunch?
It is lunch. Look at that.
What the kale?
They're in their shell. Here they are. They're all together hanging out. Hi, guys. How are you? Beautiful. I love your faces. With the yellow. There's one over here by itself. Just hanging out. I spy a porcupine hanging out right in there, sleeping. Smart. Very, very smart. This is a nice shaded trail. Just walk, there's a ton of coverage. It'd be cool at Christmas if maybe they lit it up. I'm not sure what they do, but that would be really cool. But they may not for the animals. Okay, I'm going to turn back. Keep heading the way I was. It says there's a black bear habitat over here, so I'm curious about this. Interesting. Oh, there's some snakes in here too. Cool. All right. Wherever they are hiding good. There's a pine snake. Pretty big enclosure. It's like two together. Oh, hello there. I found you. Hiding. God, I would step on him if I was in the forest. Ah, yikes. Here's a Colombian Rainbow Boa. Right in there. You can see it also has a pretty big habitat. So two of these have the bottom. And then we have a corn snake. Hard to miss this one. Right there. Hello. How are you guys doing? You having a good day? You like the heat and the muck? Oh yeah. Wow, that's a big one right there.
You can get a better angle over here.
Hello.
Chris, this reminds me of when I was a young warthog.
Oh my. All the birds are just chilling. They're chilling. What a beautiful trail. I wasn't expecting it to be this big or this long. It has surprised me. The eastern rosella. Colorful parrot is native to Australian woods and grasslands. Oh my gosh, can I see you? Hello. How are you today? Hello there. It's all of the vegetation that you can find. And check this out, the animals that are native. Blue jays, cardinals, great blue herons, great white herons, green herons, red-tailed hawks, screech owls, white ibises, and wood ducks. I love the wood ducks. If there was one in here, I would love to see it. They are beautiful. It is so pretty. I'm so impressed with what they built here in an area that really is unusable to them, but they turned it into something beautiful. A nature walkway with a few animals. And a true dissection of nature and amusement park through the trees. You can see one of their roller coasters up there. Hello, the African gray parrot. Now at Zoo Atlanta they have one of these and is the coolest bird, and it talks non-stop. Hello there. How are you? They are so smart. Look, took the food, dipped it in the water. Oh, there's a skunk in here somewhere. There it is. It's sleeping right in there. This is called Mr. Twister. Whoa! Hello.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, he's huge. I told you.
Check it out. Mr. Twister is at least 40 years old. He is 14 feet long and weighs 1,000 pounds and can go months without eating, and it's just hanging out under the water the size of a log in here. And he's actually underneath a roller coaster. That's his home. Check this out. Say what? And that was a ride on Swamp Thing.
What did you think of the ride?
What did you think? It was really short.
It was okay.
Yeah, what she said.
What'd you think?
What she said.
Was it scary or no?
No.
Did it make you sick?
No.
It kind of looked like Batman and King's Island, or Six Flags.
King's Island.
It was, Batman's so much better.
Batman's better.
All right, on to the next thing. Wherever
Twist
that is.
and spin.
What'd you think?
Fun.
Fun? Yeah? No screaming from you guys, huh?
Huh?
Did you scream?
Not that much though.
We're in Safari Burger. We have the meal thing. All right, what are you guys getting?
The only thing we can get.
Is there only one thing? No, there's a couple choices. Chicken tenders, cheeseburger, and fries. All right, we're about ready to eat our lunch. We got cheeseburger baskets, and oh my God, did we have to wait? And they only did one, they didn't know I had two more. It's a comedy of errors, and I asked for lettuce and tomato, and then condiments. We waited a long time for these, didn't we?
Probably shorter than Disney.
You can take your mask off now. What's wrong?
It's smushed.
You want mine?
No.
Why don't you take mine?
Small it is.
Yeah.
Hand is big.
Mine's like that too.
You can have lettuce and tomato on there. Wow. I am so thirsty. I thought I was gonna pass out. All right, she's getting her, oh, she's eating a French fry. What do you have to say?
Good.
Is it smushed? Is it good? They were cooking it fresh.
French fry is good. I haven't had one in even a while.
Yes, we've been good. Okay. Here's the size of the burger. Here's the size of my hand. Right? This is like a McDonald's cheeseburger size. You know, like little kids cheeseburger. Oh my God.
I'm loving it.
How am I supposed to do this and not eat?
That's gonna do.
Not bad.
It was really fast.
Really fast. That's the twisted Typhoon? Mm-hmm. Yeah, pretty intense. No rail, you dangle, couple inversions, some loops, and running one car, they were cleaning it, so we had to wait a good bit, but it was pretty good, intense.
Very tight footprint that it's sitting in.
It's like Batman at Six Flags over Georgia. A little bit more intense than that, a little bit longer ride, but somewhat similar. But yeah, pretty good. You're right, a very tight footprint with a lot of turns and a couple of corkscrews. What did you think, Madison?
I think Batman at Six Flags is much better.
You do? I don't know. I think this one gives Batman a run for its money. This one, I think, is a bigger footprint than Batman.
I like this one better. I mean, Batman better.
Batman better? Okay. Good ride, though. Did you get a new coaster check mark?
Yep.
All right.
Coaster credit.
All right. Cheetah is not running, I've heard. I like the wooden roller coasters, and Cheetah is not running, so I don't know if it's closed for the season or just today, but I did want to try it. Have to be another trip, though.
Imagine being on a swing ride and you're the only ones. Next up, these guys are going to ride this ride. And I can't wait to film it. What'd you think?
Awesome. I don't get dizzy.
You don't get dizzy? What'd you think?
Dizzy.
Dizzy?
Dizzy backwards. The frontwards was fine because the breeze was really nice, but
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
ringing a bell.
so you'll be notified of our next upload. And as always, may the adventures be with you.